Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw this realistic lip in a simple, easy way with the techniques and the materials that I've used. This tutorial also contains the easy tips of drawing a lip, which can be extended to other types of the lips. Okay, firstly, I do the initial sketch with the graphite pencil. I would prefer the type H or B. In any charcoal drawing, always remember to start lightly and then add layers to make it darker. After I corrected the initial sketch, I bold the main lines with a soft charcoal pencil. You can also use the medium ones. I shade the inside of the mouth, which is darker, with the charcoal pencil and then fade it with my finger. Then I start to create the shadows of the lips, tongue and teeth with a soft hairbrush. Okay, after I completed the initial shading, I draw the lines and the details of the lips and tongue with a soft or medium charcoal pencil. Again, I fade all the parts of the lips with a soft brush and redraw the details with the charcoal pencil and blending stamp. You can also use a tortillon. I usually use the sides of the blending stem to fade the large surfaces and its tip to fade the small parts and details. In order to create a good contrast between the dark and light areas that I will create with the white pen, I make the lines and details of the lips a little sharpen with soft charcoal pencil. In some parts, I also use a hair flap brush in proper sizes to fade lines. Okay, now I start making brightnesses, a part I'm really interested in doing in my drawings. The tools I use to create highlights and bright parts are an elastomer or a tooth razor or mono-zero erasers, electric eraser and white pen. I create lowlights with a tooth eraser and higher degrees of brightness with electric eraser. I create the parts of the drawing that have intense lighting and shining with the white pen. White pen in combination with the very dark parts of the drawing makes artwork more voluminous and stand out. I think it's better to make more contrast by darkening the parts close to the light parts, using soft charcoal, shading and fading with my finger and brushes. Okay, again I put the final lighting using previous tools. Very important to complete the details with the charcoal pencil, erasers and brushes. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it's helpful, especially for beginners. Any likes, comments and subscribes will be really appreciated. For watching my other tutorial about how to draw braids, please click on the notification you see on the top right of the video on your screen. Next tutorial will be about eyes.